The Director device supports two-camera replay, allowing you to showcase highlight moments from different angles. First, connect two shooting devices to the Director. For example, plug a Sony camera into the HDMI port and an OBS bot camera into the USB port. On the device, add these two input sources as scenes. For example, the HDMI 2 scene is from the Sony camera and webcam 1 is from the OBS bot camera. Go to Settings Encode and set Encode 1 and Encode 2 separately. Tap Add and select a video source such as HDMI 2. After finishing other setups, tap Add. Then select this new encode scheme and go back to the Settings page. Select Replay and enable Replay. Then toggle on both Replay Camera 1 and Replay Camera 2. By default, they use Encode 1 and Encode 2 as replay sources. You can also tap Replay Camera 1 or 2 to choose IP source or phone camera source for replay. After finishing other configurations, go back to the main screen. Tap the More button and then select Quick Replay. In the pop-up window, select the camera's replay order and layout. For example, choose Side by Side, Cam 1 and 2. Camera 1 corresponds to HDMI 2, the feed from the Sony camera. Camera 2 corresponds to Webcam 1, the feed from the OBS bot camera. After entering replay mode, you can control the replay by using the bottom toolbar. You can also double-tap the screen, or pinch and spread with your fingers to adjust the screen size and drag the screen to change its display position. In addition to quick replay, you can also set events first and replay them later. Double-tap the screen to set an event or tap Set Event in the More menu. After setting one or more events, tap Replay Last Event in the More menu to replay the most recently set event. Tap Event List to select multiple events for replay, and you can also enable loop replay for these selected events. The Director device supports replaying program scene, HDMI, webcam, phone camera, and IP stream sources. You can connect different sources as needed to achieve multi-angle replay of the same event.